Hey there, welcome back to Hopesync. Staying consistent with exercise can be a challenge, but in today's video, we're going to share some fantastic tips to help you stay on track with your fitness goals. Whether you're a seasoned gym goer or just starting your fitness journey, these tips will make consistency a breeze. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Set clear fitness goals. Knowing what you're working towards can be incredibly motivating. Whether it's losing weight, building muscle, or increasing endurance, define your goals to stay focused. Tip number 2. Create a realistic workout schedule. Be honest with yourself about the time you can commit to exercise. Start with a schedule that's manageable and gradually build from there. Tip number 3. Find activities you enjoy. Exercise doesn't have to mean hitting the gym if that's not your thing. Try different workouts or sports until you discover something you genuinely love. Tip number 4. Set small, achievable milestones. Break down your larger fitness goals into smaller, more manageable steps. Celebrate your victories along the way to stay motivated. Tip number 5. Get a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend or partner can make it more enjoyable and hold you accountable. You're less likely to skip a workout if someone's counting on you. Tip number 6. Create a home workout space. If getting to the gym is a challenge, set up a dedicated area at home for exercise. Even a small corner with a mat and some equipment can suffice. Tip number 7. Mix up your routine. Variety keeps exercise exciting. Try different workouts, classes, or outdoor activities to prevent boredom and plateaus. Tip number 8. Track your progress. Keep a workout journal or use fitness apps to record your sessions, achievements, and improvements. Seeing your progress can be incredibly motivating. Tip number 9. Plan rest days. Rest is just as important as exercise. Schedule regular rest days to allow your body to recover and prevent burnout. Tip number 10. Stay accountable. Share your fitness journey with friends or on social media. The support and encouragement you receive can help you stay consistent. Tip number 11. Be kind to yourself. Understand that setbacks happen to everyone. If you miss a workout or indulge in a treat, don't beat yourself up. Get back on track the next day. In conclusion, staying consistent with exercise is a journey, and it's achievable for everyone. By setting clear goals, creating a realistic schedule, and finding activities you enjoy, you can build a lasting fitness routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to Hopesync for more tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, consistency is the key to reaching your fitness goals. Until next time. And that's a wrap-up for today's video. If you have any additional tips for staying consistent with exercise or any personal fitness success stories to share, please leave them in the comments below. Let's support each other on our fitness journeys. See you in the next video.